Okay, you got it on 60 frames per second at 1080?
You bet.
Okay, as you can see, I'm freezing the saw. Left it here for a while. It's minus 20 outside. I never actually tried this saw in cold weather. It's not really set up for it, but Aspen fuel I'm running. Aspen. Oh, that's pretty quick frozen. That's not good.
I don't want to get that in there.
This stuff here eats water pretty quick. Oh, sure, dump it everywhere, hey? It's only Aspen fuel. Saw's pretty thirsty, so it uses a fair bit of fuel. Get it all over my gloves. This stuff doesn't matter, that fuel, if you get it on your gloves and stuff, it doesn't stink. Doesn't, well, it has a unique smell. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a nice spot to get all that, hey? Yeah, she'll melt. Okay, let's go over here and we'll give her a cold start. I should have actually gave it a test fire at home before I brought it out here. Hasn't ran since hunting season. Couple slow ones. Choke off, but I'm keeping the throttle lock on. That's deep! Is this all snow? I thought this was mud!
I told you that!
I thought that was a mud field!
No, man. There you go. Go around the other ridge.
I thought that was mud!
Oh no, that's all. That's snow.
That's cold.
We're gonna have a fire here later.
Yeah, we'll have to go move some snow.
All right.
Oh man. Let's get the snowblower and make a trail.
All right.
What? You could have told me the snow was 3 feet deep.
Surprise, surprise there, boy.
Man, I thought this was actually
No.
I didn't think it was this deep here.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. Yeah, well, you know, this is Manitoba, you know.
I'm too fat for this one. Okay, clean the auger up and I'll blow.
All right. Turn this off for now. Get this thing started.